Welcome to the AURACODA Content Enrichment Services. My name is Mark Zlamal, and today I will showcase Google Mapping and rich text authoring that can be used to augment and strengthen the value of your business analytics. In this demo, I am using Cognos Analytics to report on crime statistics across Ottawa. What's new here is that you're able to visualize the data and contribute material context into the report for anyone to view. After signing into Cognos Analytics, I launch a typical report that tabulates and highlights the results of my crime database. This report summarizes all the crimes committed with KPIs across the top, filter controls to the left, and a heat map visualizing prevalence of crimes throughout the day. At the bottom is the list of records describing each individual crime, including the case ID, description, and location. I click a button to launch a window that plots all the activity on my interactive Google map. I've chosen to undock this map to highlight communication and interaction between these two windows. Because I have hundreds of points in the data, they are automatically clustered into pie charts that indicate the totals and relative breakdown of the crime in that area. As I zoom, the points and charts are updated accordingly. On the right, I have a collapsible color-coded legend with custom icons that indicate the crime. My data created two map layers. One represents violent crime, the other is showing non-violent crimes. In the options, I can uncluster the points for each layer to get a visual of all the individual crimes committed based on their geography. Bidirectional filtering allows a user to narrow results on the map or on the report. Each window will drive the result set of the other. So, for example, I can filter the map by drawing a perimeter to isolate a certain area. The points become focused, and the report on the left is updated automatically to reflect this filtered region. You'll notice that each data row has clickable functions attached to them. The first capability is a button to highlight and animate the marker on the map, making it easy to isolate. Right-clicking the filtered area automatically removes this filter, and the report is refreshed with all my original data. Conversely, by filtering on the report, the map is automatically updated to reflect the filtered criteria. Mapping also allows a user to bring in specific GeoJSON files by dragging them over the map. GeoJSON is a standard industry format for defining regional shapes and boundaries, with plenty of resources online to build your own. So, dropping this GeoJSON will generate a shape layer and automatically will shade each region based on the volume of activity. Clicking on any region provides statistical information and properties of that area. You'll also notice properties and settings for this layer in the Options dialog. If you filter using different criteria, the points will of course refresh, and the shapes will also be updated with new colors to indicate the hotspots of activity. You can bring in multiple shape layers, such as a US county data file. Since my data is focusing on Ottawa, there is no data being plotted in the other regions, but the areas are still drawn. The next capability is the Instant Annotations button that allows commentary on any data item. In this example, I can enter detailed context or additional information about this particular data row. Information can include reports, documents, images, or any other files just by simply dragging them into the file's container. Here I am attaching an image and some video evidence of an incident to illustrate the capabilities of this view. I'm also manually adding my comments and updates, which are automatically timestamped for this event. Everything that is uploaded is saved and backed up automatically. It's easy to prove your work and due diligence when complementing assets are included. By pairing your data with human context, you build confidence in your quality and depth of analysis. Your actionable insights are backed by references and submissions from your teams and organization. This technology can also be applied to any discipline such as HR analytics or financial reporting when working with quarterly or other financial statements. This police example covers how I can attach documents, but can also inject pictures or media directly into the text area, so users don't even have to download anything. Everything about this incident is wrapped up in a nice and easy to access package, preserving all my entries. If I close this window, I can access this at any time by clicking on the Annotations button specific to the reported incident. you can continue working from where you left off. I hope you enjoyed this summary of capabilities, and as always, our applications are lightweight, cloud-centric solutions with zero footprint when integrated into your environment. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.